Hi, I'm Danielle, and last night at 2 a.m. I decided to recreate a shirt I got on Animal Crossing. Not the starter shirt, that was a green and orange checkered like plaid shirt. Wasn't cute. I really gifted that away as soon as I could. So yeah, I got this really cute frog t-shirt on my first day, and I decided to make that last night. So stay tuned if you want to see how I did it. The day before, I took my shirt of choice, which is a white shirt that has a stain on it from a t-shirt transfer gone wrong, and then I mixed in a jug separately 2 tablespoons of coffee and a cup of water. I then soaked this for about 14 hours, or you could soak it overnight, and it gave me this beige colour, which I really love because on the game the shirt looks like a light green to yellow colour. I used textile paint, a painting palette, paintbrushes, water, and cardboard. I started with my now dry light brown t-shirt and dressed it in cardboard. Using my reference image, I started to sketch out my frog design. I flattened it down and began drawing, but I soon realised that I should have taped the back down because when I was sketching my frog, the material kept bunching up. Trying to correct my previous mistake, I did then tape it down, just that when I painted there was a smooth surface, unlike when I was drawing. Then I got the colours I needed and put them on my palette. I mixed the light green and dark colour to make a base colour for my frog and got to it. I've never worked with textile paints before, got them for Christmas. I've always used acrylic on clothes and then sealed it with Mod Podge, which does work, but like when you wash paint that's been on clothes, it does kind of go a bit weird and like the glue will peel off. So yeah, textile paint's probably much better. You definitely need to do a thick layer of this, and I wouldn't recommend watering it down because it will spread. I tried mixing it with water and it just spread over my outline, which was not cute. In the game, it looks like the shirt has a gradient to it because of the light, so I decided to incorporate that, and I got the light green and I stippled it with my brush at like the top part of the frog, and then I did the same with the dark green at the bottom. So white was used for my frog's square eyes, and I had to change between brushes to get a clean edge, but I really just got tired around like 3 a.m. and called it quits. For the brown outline, I didn't need to mix any paint because the colour itself was just perfect in my opinion. The mouth needed to be black, so I did that, and then my camera died. All that was left to do was the like a ringer effect, so I painted the collar and the bottom of the sleeves the base green colour. Once the shirt is fully dry, I can then iron it and it will be completely sealed. And I was trying to model the shirt, and that was an absolute nightmare because I've been a hermit for like a year with exams and now quarantine, so enjoy that.